Are you selling physiotherapy equipment? Or maybe you want to start your own business? Good news! Kaphaphysio make it easier for you. We work with all kinds of partners. Resellers who want a good price, or clinics who need a special design, or brands who want their own look or logo, and also if you want to be exclusive in your own area. Let me show you how we can help you. Do you want to buy physiotherapy product at a good price? You are in the right place. We sell our product directly from our factory, no extra cost, no middleman eating your profits. Small orders are always welcome, and if you order more, you get a bigger discount. Simple and fast. Want to put your own brand on our product? We support light customization with no MOQ. You only need to order one pieces. We can change the colors or put your beautiful logo on our product to make your business stand out easily. Some of you might ask, what if I need something special for my clinic or my customers? Of course, we can do more than that. If you order more than 20 pieces, not only we can change the color, we can also change the shape of the machine, redesign the software, handle, or even extra functions as you need. Your idea with our technology? Boom! Perfect. As you go further, you can become the exclusive agent in your area. By exclusive, I mean you are the only one who are allowed to sell our products in your own market. Sounds good? We will also provide you with customer service, training, marketing advice, and after-sales service. Basically anything you need to help you to become the top leaders in your market. Anyways, no matter what type of business you are or what stage you're in right now, Kaphaphysio will always try our best to help you grow. So if you're interested, make sure you click the link below to contact us. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. In the next video, I will show you how to become a distributor. Peace.